Do you speak English?
Очень красивая.
Little? Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Оля. Оля.
О, надеюсь, вернулась.
Where are you from?
Оля. From Russia.
Russia. Oh, Russia. Okay. You know Vladimir Putin? Putin?
Что?
President. Do you know Putin?
Я не понимаю.
Бутылку
You
пьет.
know
Нет,
who is
он
the president of Russia? Putin, Vladimir Putin.
Путин, Путин.
Yeah,
Путин, да.
yeah, I know Putin. So I'm from Bangladesh and my name is Shushanto Paul.
Как? What is your name?
Shushanto Paul. You can say just Paul. Yeah. So it's nice to meet you.
Я понял.
Do you work or study?
Work.
Work. Okay. So how old are you?
Я зависаю. Мне кажется, он зависает.
I'm 24 years old. So how old are you?
Ага, я поняла. Калифорния, поняла.
Yeah. Sorry. I don't understand Russian language. So could you please speak English?
Speak English little.
Little. Okay. So do you have brothers or sisters? How many brothers or sisters do you have?
No.
No?
I didn't.
You are only one?
No.
You are only one?
I
Oh,
one.
okay. So tell me, what is your favorite color?
What?
What is your favorite color?
Я не понимаю.
Okay. My favorite
Family,
color,
что?
my favorite color is black and white. So what is your favorite color?
I don't understand you. Я не понимаю.
Okay, no problem.
Мгм.
So I said you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Вот это я поняла. Thank you.
So you
Thank
can
you.
teach me Russian language.
Тут же я не понимаю.
Do you have any best friend?
Best friend. Вот.
Oh, is she your best
Да
friend?
не махай ты мне перед...
Is she your best friend?
Yes.
And what is her name?
Yes. Her name is Svetlana.
Oh, nice name. What is that?
Ага.
Behind you, what is that? This is a duck. Peck. This is a duck. Behind you. Do you understand me?
Да, поняла.
This is very beautiful scenery. Behind you. It's very beautiful.
Согласна, я тут поняла.
So, do you have a boyfriend?
No, I haven't boyfriend.
Are you single?
No,
Are you single?
haven't. I'm single. Single lady.
Why are you single? Why?
Single это
Why are you single?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know why you're single. Okay.
Я не знаю почему.
So, can you sing a song? Can you sing song?
Шляпа у тебя классная. Шляпа. У тебя шляпа.
It's a hat, hat.
Да.
Do you like my hat?
Мгм.
Do you like?
Классная. I like. Мгм.
Thank you, thank you. Because I
like.
have a short hair. I have a short hair. And that is why I'm wearing this
А.
hat.
Мгм.
So,
Говорите по-английскому.
you don't understand me?
Переводи, кого переводить? Армянский умею. Армян могу перевести.
Okay, then it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Say what you wanna say to me now.